Hello, this is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you healthy living tips and also sharing with you the health benefits of the herbs. This afternoon, I'm about to prepare my own homemade tomato paste, and I want to take you through the process. I strongly believe that my total well-being depends on the food that I eat. So I am encouraging you to also start preparing your own food. So watch the video to the end as I take you through the process. The first thing you are going to do is form salt solution and wash the tomato thoroughly to get rid of dirt. And make sure you take off the seed from the tomatoes that you are going to use. The next ingredient that I'm using is garlic. I'm also going to use onion. I'm going to transfer the ingredients into my blender. So my tomato paste is ready. Make sure you get enough of the tomatoes because after the whole process, the volume of the tomato paste will reduce. I've stored everything here, as you can see. And this is what I'll be using for the week. Before I store it in the refrigerator and use within the week, I will be adding coconut oil to the surface. So a little coconut oil. Alright, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to share the video on all your social media handles and also like the video by hitting the like button. To be part of this amazing family, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified to watch. And until I see you in the next one, eat lots of fruits and vegetables, engage in physical exercise on a daily basis, and always make sure you visit the hospital on a regular basis to know your health status. Until then, peace.